In this video, we will go over how to add floor plans and hotspots to your tours. The first thing you will want to do is go into your info tab of your tour and scroll down to make sure that the floor plan is turned on. Next, you'll go ahead and upload your floor plan the same way you would your images. From there, you can drag and drop the floor plan images to the tour in the floor plan section. Once you drag and drop them there, you can also rearrange them if necessary. Next, click on the Edit option on the first floor plan, then click Hotspot Editor. The Hotspot Editor is designed to allow photographers to insert a floor plan along their images and let the viewer browse the rooms of the house with quick access. However, you do not need a floor plan in order to use the hotspots. You can still have your viewers navigate through the house simply by using your images. In this example, I have added the kitchen image to the dining room image, allowing the viewer to click and see the kitchen from where they are. When using a floor plan, and you have multiple levels or multiple floor plans, you can use the navigation hotspots to direct viewers to the next floor plan. For this example, I'm going to connect the basement to the first floor by dragging and dropping the image right on top of the stairs. This way, if the viewer clicks on this arrow for the basement, it will bring them to the images for that floor plan. Next is the media hotspots. This is where you would assign certain pictures to areas of the floor plan. For example, I have a dining room. I can drag and drop that to the dining room section. The same with the kitchen, the bedroom, and the bathroom. We do have several options to use for the icons themselves. You can change them by clicking here. You can see that several options are available. If you have a custom icon you wish to add, click Add Custom Icon, and a box will pop up prompting you to add that icon. You can have the normal icon, which is what will appear on the tour, the over icon, which will appear when the viewer hovers over the icon, and then finally the selected icon, which will appear once the viewer has viewed the image for that hotspot. It is not necessary to have 3 different icons. You can use the same image for all 3 options. Once you've uploaded your images, if you want this icon to be available for future tours, make sure to check that this icon is available in my icon library. Once you've done that, click Create Hotspot Icon. From there, you will always be able to manage your custom icons. As you can see, my icon automatically saved. You can click on the address to bring you back to the tour page, and then you can preview the tour to see what it would look like for your viewers. You can make changes at any time in the tour, and they will automatically reflect the new changes. If you have any questions, please contact us at hello@urbanimmersive.com.